But equally, chicken and eggs are in that range as well. When bananas, 700 liters. Apples, about 600. Grapes, about 500. Kilogram of oranges, 400. Also, to bring 1 kilo of meat, I mean, if averagely not. Also, not to mention that to grow the cows and the pork and the chickens, we are producing a lot of methane, which has a huge carbon potential. I guess these are statistics you will find further also in the materials that have been produced by UNEP.
Small changes by us as consumers and by food retailers and the food service sector.
Infra technology can reduce the amount of food that perishes after it is harvested and before it reaches the market. Developing country governments can work to improve essential infrastructure and maximize trade opportunities with neighbors. Developed nations can support
words. You know, we are also taking concrete action to try to reduce the amount of waste. Some of the speakers mentioned that up to 1/3 of the food consumed is wasted, but there's also a lot of waste during the food preparation itself. You know, when we peel vegetables or fruits, a lot of the food goes to waste.
That we normally throw into the bins, but this is not new to Thai food because we've been using that, but more and more people forget about it, so we like reintroduce it back to the
and then after that, after things like this salt water bleach out the bitterness, we need to make sure we use a small amount of this lime paste, which is basically the mineral lime, and we put that in water and soak it for about an hour. And what that will do...
Serve with the sticky rice triangles and some crushed ice for hot Bangkok day.
Yeah, and
taste. So it's make the food nicer, yummier, just like the Parmigiano Reggiano, that dish. So you got that umami. Really spicy, so we have a lot of fresh vegetables that go with it, and the fresh vegetables that we choose today is of course not carrot. We have sting bean. Oh, what do you call that? We also have different aubergines. What we call it in Thai? We call it mustard non. A virgin girls in a half the lemon glass here to do some Thai tricks. In Thailand we believe that if you're virgin girl and you put a lemon glass into the sauce, it will stop raining. So if you can find for nowadays we are so far away from the food production side and we don't care about who produce food for us anymore. So if you go in it's split.
That's one of the